Mikey!
Oh, Patrick, are we? Yes, we are, Paddy!
Hello! How are you?
Not as pumped as you after 7,000 coffees by the look of it.
Oh, I had an espresso, then I had a macchiato, then I had a cappuccino, and now I'm having a cold brew, bro. Cold brew, bro!
Cold brew, bro. Oh, very good. Very, very good. What's been happening, man? I see we've got the EoFY up online.
EoFY's up online, and we're already sold our SSM 500, and I've got Laravel Ruby 8 fader X demo. We've got a Laravel Diamond 12 fader with what are they called? The buttons at the top.
Visual extensions and the rotaries. Yeah,
the rotary extensions with a visual extension and a power core. We have Dreamship cameras. We have mobile viewpoint stuff. We have a Cyan View RCP. Oh my god! I'm going to stop you there.
Let's not talk. Let's not talk about everything that's on the website, and people can go and check it out. As the end of financial year, the EoFY. And there's plenty of goods on there. Plenty of goods.
And then the boys have been busy downstairs. You might have seen some of the pictures down, on LinkedIn. We've converted the old PAT radio van to a PAT AV van. And we've got a Ross Carbonite in there. We've got a Ross Open Gear frame in there. We've got Encode encaption in there. We've got a Laravel Crystal Clear for the audio side of things. We've got Proton cameras. We've got Bolin Technology cameras. It's a really cool kit, and we're going to go and see customers in Sydney, Canberra, and Melbourne from the end of next week until early July. So
sounds like you guys have you've packed a lot into that van. You and the Ross Video boys play nice and drive safe.
Absolutely. Well, looking forward to it. It was just supposed to be a Ross thing, and then all these other brands jumped on board as well. Great support from everyone, and I think it's going to be a real successful thing.
Awesome, man. Awesome. And if you can't catch up with the lads on the road, then perhaps bookmark the 27th to 29th of August and come and see the whole PAT team at Integrate at the ICC in Sydney. I'll be over there, and we're in advanced booth mode, aren't we, Pat?
Oh, absolutely. Talking about booth, I received an email overnight. ABC is only 12 weeks away. Can you believe that?
I know. I got the same email and just about fell off my couch. But yeah, I'll be in planning mode. So if people are heading along to IBC, let us know. It's in Amsterdam in September, and 12 weeks. It's nuts.
Busy times. I better have another coffee. Good seeing you, bro. You stay out of trouble.
All right.
And I might have another cold brew, bro. See you later.
Oh dear. I'm gonna go check out our EoFY online, and see you, bro.